Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most powerful and reliable tractors in the Indian market, the Swaraj 963 FE. This tractor is a favorite among farmers who need performance, durability, and advanced features all in one. The Swaraj 963 FE comes with a 60 to 65 HP engine that delivers strong power and great torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty farming tasks. Whether you're plowing, tilling, or pulling heavy loads, this tractor handles it with ease. It has a 3-cylinder water-cooled engine, which not only improves efficiency but also keeps the engine cool during long hours of work. One of the best things about the 963 FE is its 12 forward and 2 reverse gears, which offer flexibility and control for all types of farming operations. The lifting capacity is around 2,200 kilograms, which means it can easily manage large implements and heavy machinery. Its comfortable operator platform, power steering, and smooth gear shifting make it easy to use even for long working hours. The tractor also has a strong build, stylish design, and comes with multi-speed PTO, ideal for a wide range of agricultural applications. Fuel efficiency, low maintenance costs, and Swaraj's trusted after-sales service make the 963 FE a great investment for any farmer. If you're looking for a tractor that's both tough and smart, this is the one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tractor reviews and updates. See you in the next video.